Hello my people, happy new year. Today we are giving plastic a whole new life by creating this stylish eco-friendly tote bag. It is easy, it is fun and perfect for anyone who loves DIY. Let's get a little bit creative guys, but before we dive in, please comment, like, share, subscribe and hit that notification bell in case we put up a new video. You'll be notified. So let's start with our plastic. We are going to measure 34 centimeters by 64 centimeters. So our plastic could not make 64 centimeters. We had to join another piece to make 64 centimeters down. But before joining, we had to cut off that extra, that pink color. We don't like it. We had to cut it off and then join with another piece to make our 64 we want. So we are now marking the 64 mark. Yes, so our piece is 34 by 64 centimeters, not inches, centimeters. So we get our shein bag, packing bag. It's going to work as our lining. Yes, I told you today we are using waste. We are not wasting anything. Waste is not actually waste. It can be reused. Yeah, so we are upcycling. So we get our bag and open it on both sides. So we are going to make sure it is also 64 by 34. So we also get our extra plastic, our black plastic. We are going to measure it 28 centimeters by 34 centimeters.
28.
So it was 28.
28.
So we are going to fold it. So we are going to cut it out. So we are going to mark where our black plastic is going to be. We mark on both sides. Yes. So you are going to fold again into two, then we notch the middle. Yes, we notch the middle of that. So after notching the middle, we are going to measure 5 centimeters by 8 centimeters. So it means each side from the middle is 4 centimeters. Yes. So it is 4 from the center, 4 from the center, which is 5 by 8. You must make sure that both sides are equal. That is 8 centimeters. Yes. Do the same on the other side. So we cut that out and we get our lining. That is our lining. We mark those points. We don't need to measure again. You just mark where the lines passed and cut out. We are going to sew here. So we take to our sewing machine. So we are going to get our handles and Take note, we are going to leave some space and opening. When we are sewing around this bag, we are going to leave that opening. Yes, so that opening will help us to turn our bag on the right side. So we are going to stitch those ends, all those ends the same way as I've done there. So we are going to stitch all sides, all the sides. That's how our bag looked like. Yes, that's our tote bag, our plastic tote bag. So we are going to stitch that opening which we used to turn the bag on the right side, and also top stitch on the back, on the top of the bag where the handles are. Yes, so that's our bag. Yes, it's a plastic tote bag, completely plastic. The out is plastic and the lining is plastic. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Yes, that was our result. You can try this tote bag if you have fabric or anything else. Thank you.